Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. There are two training programs which I'm going to start from tomorrow. The first training program will be based on the Oracle Golden Gate and the second training will be on Oracle Core DBA. So Golden Gate is really important whenever you are showing some experience, whenever you are going for an interview and you are showing some 3+ years of experience. Obviously there will be a question based on the Golden Gates. By looking to this factor only, we have started Oracle Golden Gate training from tomorrow. So if you are interested to join this Oracle Golden Gate training, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp number or you can directly call me. The details about my contact details are there in the description section. Okay, apart from this, we are also covering the Oracle Core DBA batch, which is a separate batch. Okay, so if you want to know about the Oracle Core DBA syllabus as well as for the Golden Gate, the syllabus details also available in the description section. So the timing and everything I will let you know very soon. So now it is a time to start your career as a Oracle DBA. So obviously you need to go with the Golden Gate training as well as core database training. Let me know, like guys, if you're interested. And in Golden Gate we have three modules are there. Basically all these three modules we are going to cover, and this will be completely real-time database training. Okay, and about the feedbacks and everything, you already aware that we have 9,000 subscribers are there all over the world, and there are many people, they have got 300% hike, 200% hike, and now they are working as a Oracle DBA. So we are the one who believe that anyone can become Oracle database, even though you are from the technical background or non-technical background. So let's get connected and let's start with the Oracle Golden Gate training as well as Oracle Core Database training. If you are looking for anything, any suggestion, anything, just put it into the comment section, or you can directly reach out to me on my email ID or on my WhatsApp number. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. If you don't want to join the training, that's okay. It's completely, we have a lot of contents are available on this YouTube channel which is completely free of cost. Okay, you can still go through this free content and which will be also available in future. So no need to worry. And if you want to start your career with us, then don't forget to connect with me. We are starting this both the batches from tomorrow, guys. So we don't have much time, and due to this limited time only, we need to start it very quickly. So now Diwali it just finished, and happy Diwali to everyone. Thank you. Let me show you the syllabus of our training. So if you just go to my website, this is my website learnomate.org, and here you can see there is a syllabus. We have started that giving the training on core database training. Then we have rack, SQL, PL SQL, Hadoop, and Golden Gate. So tomorrow we are going to start with the core DBA as well as our Golden Gate. So let's go through the Golden Gate first. So I'm just clicking on the Golden Gate training. If you just scroll it down, there are three architectures are there in the Golden Gate. We have a classic architecture, microservice architecture, and golden Veridata. All these three architecture we are going to cover as a part of Golden Gate training. So let's scroll it down a little bit and you can see the details about the course content related to the classic architecture. Then we have microservices architecture, and then we have Veridata. So we have three modules are there which are available inside the Golden Gate. Okay, so we are going to cover all these three in the Golden Gate training. Let me show you the syllabus related to the core database training, core DBA, which is related to the Oracle database. Okay, so if I just scroll it down, you can see here we are going to cover the database installation, server installation, many other things are there which I will not explain over here. You can just go through that, and I will try to mention the link in the description of the YouTube channel. Go there and check all the details. Let's say you want to know about the student review, click on the student review section. Here you can see multiple people have now are working as Oracle DBA. There are some of the video reviews are there, and after that some of the text reviews are also available. Okay, so this will be easy for you to understand more about me. And apart from this, if you want to know more about me, then obviously my YouTube channel is there. A lot of videos are available which is completely free of course, and that will help you to understand whether you are on the right place or not. So guys, we have a lot of good feedbacks from the student. Don't worry about the trainings. The training will be, obviously it's a real-time training only, so we are always giving our 100%. Again, you also need to give the 100% from your side, so that it will easy for both of us to make it 100% and get it a good job. Okay, so anyone can become a DBA. Thank you so much. Please do like, subscribe, and share this channel.